Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel Pixel and Frisket Finds. My name is Michelle and this is a new episode of Come to Work With Me, a series on my channel where we go through the vintage inventory that we have at the jewelry store where I work. If you haven't already, click subscribe. I'm uploading a new video every Sunday and I'd love to see you there again. Let's get digging. Okay, we have two little sweet boxes. So sweet. This little old one is so adorable and in awesome condition. And then we have this little adorable blue one. And this came out of the silver bins that my boss brought me today. And I have no idea what's in there. So that'll be exciting. But in here we have a pair of earrings. This says the Iona shop in Scotland, but I can tell you these are Sherman. So they definitely didn't come from that store, but they are adorably preserved in this super cute box. So I don't know. I wish I had something else I could put in there, and I don't know if you can, like, it's got a website. It can't be that old if it's got a website, you know what I mean? So we'll keep those guys in there. Those are, I remember when I looked those ones up initially, the daisy shape with the pearl in the middle was something I had trouble finding, but we'll see what I can find now. But let's see what's in this little dude. A little felt or flannel. Let's see, this is just tissue paper. Sorry, I'm just making the suspense last. And inside, I can tell you, it does not feel like jewelry. What the heck? 2001, Tiffany & Co. 925. This says, The Keg Steakhouse and Bar? What? See, this looks like it's for a piercing. And a large piercing. But this tag that says The Keg is really messing with my head. I'm guessing this was like for someone who worked at the Keg, like, you know, it was for the staff of some sort. I don't know. If you know, you know. But I don't know. If you know, you know, but I don't know. Let's keep that in the view though. That's an interesting thing to have come across. And we'll put you over here. I don't know. For now, that's how it's gonna go. Next up, I have a bracelet, a cuff style bracelet. A silver cuff style bracelet. It's very heavy. And it is marked inside a Jacob Hill, Denmark. And it's got that symbol BD with that circle. Jacob Hill. We'll find out if that's correct or not, but that's a really pretty interesting, and a lot of good stuff comes out of Denmark, right? We've got George Jensen coming out of Denmark for silver work, and so this would be in competition with George Jensen, no doubt. I'm going to put it up top there. Okay. Let's see. Next I have a sparkly pair. Okay. Little clusters. And these are kind of cool. They've got these little square ones that are set on an angle to give you these little pointy spots. And very pretty with the AB coating. Let me get in a little tighter. Hey, those are in great shape. All the stones are there. They look clean. They look nice. Do they say anything? No. No, they don't. They're that old rivet style. But they seem like a really nice quality piece. Or set. Ooh. Very nice. Very pretty. Here's another sparkly pair of earrings. They're quite large. Look at those. Those are massive. Let me back up here. Look at that. Absolutely. They are longer than my fingers. So we've got their stud style, and they've got a roundy there and these big elaborate paddles of sparkles. And they move nicely. They're like fluid. And there is no mark at all. But those are pretty funky. I think those are pretty funky, like runway funky. I don't know. Here's a ring, and it is a spoon ring. Love a little spoon ring. It's not adjustable, and it has a mark in here. Whoa, what does that say? Deep silver EPNS plate. So it's electroplated nickel silver. It's really small. Too small for anything but my pinky, and it's kind of sharp in there. It felt sharp, but I still love a little spoon ring any day of the week. Here's a little pendant, cross pendant, and let's see if there's any kind of mark on that. Oh, up on the bail. It is marked. 10K JLX. 10K JLX. Yes. All right, cool. Well, 10 karat cross. The bail is really squashed up, so I don't know what I would do with it. We'd have to get a jeweler to put a new gold bail on there. Here is a bracelet with Pandora-like vibes. It is on a Pandora bracelet. So that's got the ALE 925. Okay. See, that one's Cham. This one. Daughter, but I don't see the ALE. That one is just 925, but I love a good lamp work glass bead. This one's breaking. 95. Rust. So we don't have a bunch of Pandora, but possibly a Pandora, these little dudes, and the bracelet itself. There's a baggie with some more lamp work, but they're just the beads. They're not trying to be Pandora. They're just really cool glass beads. A sparkly pair of Sherman clip-ons here, and these are kind of cool. These bigger ones and a couple of the smaller ones have like a mirror finish on it, and then the other ones are clear, as opposed to like smoky or rainbow AB coating. They have a Sherman plaque in the middle as well as on the moving part. So those are nice. Nice couple of Shermies there. I have a ring. Okay, here's a ring with a pearl. Looks like a little chip something there maybe. And I think I don't see a mark anywhere. Let's get the magnet. Not magnetic. So, I don't know. Pretty little pearl ring. I don't know. I have no desire to wear a pearl ring, honestly. Just, I feel like I would mess it up. Here's another ring, and that's got a little cluster of clear stones in sort of a flower shape. It looks really pretty. It looks gold. Doesn't it? Oh, what does it say there? What the? Hard to get my loop in tight enough. It might say 14K. If it says 14K, do you think they're diamonds? Do you think? Let me try it on. If that's diamonds, then that's pretty cool, but I don't know, you guys. Let's look closer at the setting while the diamond tester is booting up. Does this look like a quality gold setting with diamonds? Because if it's diamonds, that's a big diamond in the middle, you know? Okay, good. Okay, good. Good. Okay, not diamond. Not, well, maybe 14. It's probably 14 karat plated. And it's in great condition, honestly. If I gave it a little wash, it would be good to go. All right, we're gonna dip into the silver bin from my boss today. And we're gonna pull out this. Now, that's a, from Burke's. Burke's Sterling, that's their logo there. And this is a little ring box. Oh, but she's broken. It is broken, darn. Could it be repaired? How could it be repaired? It needs a new... It just needs a new post through there, maybe? No, it still wants to... Anyway, it's a little ring holder. It's got its two slices. 2 spots for rings there, so maybe an engagement set. Hey, I have a vintage Burke's engagement ring here. Wouldn't that be cute to display it in a Burke's, you know, an old Burke's ring holder? That would be cute. Okay, where do you go now? I don't know. Put it here. Okay, let's go back into that bin. And I have this piece. This is a big old brooch, very large, and silver, right? That's why it's in there. Here's the markup here, 830 silver, and that's NM or WN, and there's like this V over and a reverse V mark there. And this is what, a pheasant? Is this a pheasant or a turkey? I don't know. Could be a turkey. That tail is giving turkey. I don't know. We'll see what we can find out about that guy. Where are you from? Do you come here often? Alright, here's another piece out of there. Another silver little tin. Little, I don't know, pill container, I suppose. It's hinged. It's cute. It's got a floral design. I don't see any marks around it though. Kind of cool. I like the bun shape. I like that it bubbles out like that. I think that's pretty charming. I don't know where to put these things. That, I guess. Okay, out of that bin again. I've got this piece. A little egg cup, right? Sterling silver egg cup. Do we have any kind of marks on it? Oh, here we are. We have N and H into like circles. We've got the lion. That's the sterling mark. That's the wheat and sword, I think. I can't remember where that is, but we'll find out. And a capital M in the squared off or cut off cornered square. And that's really pretty. There's a spot where it could be monogrammed or engraved, and it has not been, so that's a good little selling feature, the fact that it's not yet been touched that way. I think that's really cool. Okay, here is a necklace, and what we have here are some amber beads. They are amber beads. You can see the seams. They're very much been molded. I think they're cool, but they're not good quality. As far as amber, is it even amber? Do you sound like a dumbass right now? Is this just bubbles? You're seeing bubbles in there, aren't you? Let's get closer here. And it comes down to this graduated disc grouping. And I just think that's super pretty and super cool. I think it's great. Here is a bracelet. And I think it's just costume. I don't think that we have onyx there or anything like that. I don't think. Because this one came out of a different bag now. So anyway, it's in nice shape, I guess. And it's got the extra detail of like the sawtooth setting around the cabs. Here is another bracelet, and it's, I don't know, missing a row of super cool studs, I guess. It's just like a metal costume thing. This is interesting. This is a very chunky monkey of a necklace, but it has a lot going on. So let's take a closer look at it. Our clasp is this, you know, modern style lobster clasp. And we start off here with some wooden beads. These look to be like they're bone. I don't believe that we have real bone. I think it's just like a resin, carved resin, because it is carved nicely. And then it comes out into, what is that, 6 strands. And we have many different wooden beads featured, some clear resin beads, some stone-like or glass pieces like this. I like the mixture of the colors. There's a nice glass one added in. Like, I really like the mixture of it all. It's really cool. This looks like pearled peanuts. Hey, you know what I mean? There's only one like that on there. That's sort of funny, but it's quite heavy. It's a statement. It's a statement, all right. But I think it's kind of cool. Oh my goodness. We're running out of room. We'll get a couple more things in here before we call it quits. Let's dig back into the good bin. See what else we can pull out of there. The good bin. Okay, here we go. It is a bar pin. I love me a bar pin. They're so charming. Stick pins as well, but bar pins are great. That looks like a piece of aquamarine, and this is very Art Deco-y. The clasp is a rollover clasp, so like 50s, right? And it's sterling. And where we have a mark over here, 925 BM perhaps. I want to look closer just in case I can find out something about the maker. I don't know. I can't tell. But it is 925. Adorable. Oh, here, let's put it up here. Oh my god. Anyway. Then we'll grab one more thing out of there before we call it quits. And it is another pendant, and this time it's a fairy. Sterling silver fairy pendant. 925 with a C in a circle. C is for circle. All right. Awesome. Look at all of that. Thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't already, click subscribe. That way we can hang out again. I'm uploading a video almost every Sunday, and I'd love to see you there again. Thanks for watching.